This problem tells us that Armad sent M text messages per hour for 5 hours. It also tells us that Tyrone sent P text messages each hour for 4 hours. And it wants to know what's the equation that would represent the total number of messages that they sent. Well, there's two ways to solve it. Let's do the first way, which is doing it algebraically. So Armad sent M messages per hour, and he did so for 5 hours. So we're going to say 5M then is the total amount of messages that he sent. And then Tyrone sent P messages per hour for 4 hours. So we're going to represent that as 4P. So that's the right answer, and that is choice C. But let's look at another way to solve it. You didn't know how to solve it algebraically. Let's make up numbers for these variables and see where that gets us. So Armad sent M messages. I don't know, let's say he sent 3 messages per hour, and Tyrone sent P messages per hour. I don't know, let's say Tyrone did a lot. Let's say Tyrone sent 10 messages per hour. Now we need to figure out how many total did they send. Well, if Armand sent 3 messages, and he did 3 messages per hour for 5 hours, that means he sent 15. And if Tyrone sent 10 messages per hour for 4 hours, that means he sent 40 messages. And then if we add those up, we get they sent together a total of 55 messages. So we know we're looking for a total of 55, that when M equals 3 and P equals 10, our answer is 55. Now we just need to look at the answer choices and see which one of these translates into 55. So this one, when M equals 3 and P equals 10, is going to be 9 times 3 times 10, which is not 55. We're too high. So that one doesn't work. Let's try this one. 20 times 3 times 10, also way too high. That one isn't going to work. Let's try this one. 5 times 3 for M plus 4 times 10 for P. Look at that. There's our winner. This one's 55, so we know C is the right answer. Let's just double check that D isn't right. 4 times 3 plus 5 times 10. Nope, that is too high. So that's the other way to solve this. Make up numbers for the variables and then see which expression in the answer choices matches your numbers.